Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum and Litecoin has moved in the last week and how they can move in the next week. See, if you look at this trend of a Bitcoin, what we can see here that a range is made. Okay, a range is made after breaking this particular range. Okay, this particular range, it has made a high of around 48,673. Okay, so once, and if we look at a longer view, this is the particular range and the range high is at around 52,760. Suppose if the range breaks upside, then we can see further upside movement, or if the range breaks downside, down is around 43,437. Okay, so as of now, if the price stays above this level, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 49,695, and from there it can touch a level of 55,89. Okay, and if it stays above this level, because these levels are already tested twice here, okay, so chances are high that it can go and touch a level of 52,888. Okay, and once this level is touched 50 and if it's sustain above this level for 5-10 minutes, then we can see that it can touch a level of 56,336, and from there it can touch a level of 58,507. okay, and then if it goes above this level, then we can see a level of 59,785, and from there we can see a level of 62,084, and then it can make its high of around 64,893. But suppose if it didn't sustain above this level, okay, and then there is a probability it can touch a level of 46,630, and if it didn't sustain this level also, then chances are high it can go and can touch a level of 44,714. okay, and once this level is touched, then we can see that it can come down to, if it didn't sustain this level, then chances are high it can come down to 43,437, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 42,926, which is already tested twice, so chances are high it can go below this level and can touch a level of 41,393, and from there if it goes more below this level, then we can see a level of 36,668 also. okay, so till the time it sustain above a level of 43,437, and we can sustain, we can say that it can move in the upper side, but if it goes below this level, then we can see that it can come and move in this particular range. okay, if we talk about Dogecoin, see, Dogecoin, we have seen that it is moving in a particular range. okay, as of now we can see that it is trying to make a narrow pattern. okay, so suppose if it goes below a level of 0.2379, then chances are high it can touch a level of 0.21433, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 0.19255, or if it goes more below this level, then it can touch a level of 0.167134. okay, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 0.154423. so what is the motive? that if it goes below a level of 0.236120003, then chances are high it can touch a level of 0.2144433,506. suppose if it sustain this level and go sustain above this level, then chances are high it can touch a level of 0.25064,335, and from there it can touch a level of 0.26153583, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 0.28695. before that, if you have any doubt regarding crypto, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or our mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this crypto is working, and you can join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description. okay, suppose if sustain above this level, then it can touch a level of 0.31737 also, and can go further high. okay, if it crosses a range of 0.26. if we talk about Ethereum, see, we can see that Ethereum is now moving in a particular range. suppose if Ethereum sustain this level, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 3540, and if it goes above this level, then we can see a level of 3682, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 3999 also, and can go to a level of 4031. okay, and if it goes above this level, then we can see a level of 4173, and then it can touch a high of around 4381. okay, if we look at this chart, suppose if the price goes below, if the Ethereum goes below this level, so chances are high it can touch a level of 3376, and then from there it can touch a level of 333. If it goes more below this level, then it can touch a level of 3277, and from there it can touch a level of 3149. And if it goes more below this level, then we can see a level of 3107, and from there we can see a level of 3022. And once this level is touched, then we can see it, and we can see this is a very strong support of 2951. If it didn't sustain a level of 2993, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 2724. And if didn't sustain this level also, it can go further low. Okay, if we talk about Litecoin, see, now Litecoin is showing a bit of rise and now moving in a particular range. So the range high is at around 233.652 and a low of around 158. Now it is sustaining at around 184.05. Suppose if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 191.437, and from there it can touch a level of 195.928. Okay, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 222, and from there it can touch a level of 233.652. and if it sustain above this level, then we can see yes, it can touch a level of 249.820, and from there it can touch a level of 267.784. and if it sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 287.544. okay, suppose if it didn't sustain this level, if it goes up below this level 178.862, then chances are high it can touch a level of 170.778, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see a level of 168.084. okay, suppose if it didn't sustain this level, then chances are high if it comes close to this level, because these levels are already tested twice, so chances are high if it comes close to that level, chances are high it can touch a level of 154.611, and from there we can see a level of 149 also. If it didn't sustain that also, then chances are high it can touch a level of 134. okay, and can go further low to a level of 123. so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.